Hello you guys, and welcome to my iPad Air 3 unboxing. So I actually accidentally ordered the wrong case initially, so in that first package there, I'm not going to be unboxing the case, but I also ordered a screen protector, so I'm going ahead and opening this up to show you guys. The Amazon package just didn't want to open up for some reason, so I ended up cutting it, but here is the screen protector I decided to go with. All the accessories will be linked down below, by the way. So now it's time to open the iPad, and when I tell you I was so excited for this, I was so excited. Also enjoy the baseball scissors to the side there. They are very aesthetic. Okay, sorry, I've never done ASMR before, but that was so satisfying. So moving on, I'm actually taking the iPad out of the box in all of her glory. So I figured I would show you guys what comes in the box first. We have a few stickers here, and then of course like the instruction manual all about the iPad and everything of that sort. And then obviously they give you the charger box and lightning cable as well. It's just your standard box and cable like you get with every single iPhone accessory, except this one is the larger box instead of the small one like you usually get with iPhones. So now it's time to turn her on and set her up. I was so excited for this iPad for so many reasons. Okay, so that one wasn't as satisfying, but as you can see, I got my name engraved on the back of the iPad. So now I'm going to go ahead and put on our screen protector. This actually took a little bit longer than I would have liked it to, but it did come with some cleaning sheets as well, and it came with 2 screen protectors like I said earlier. So I'm just going to go ahead and wipe down the iPad to remove any fingerprints or anything of that sort, just any like debris. Not that I could really see any on it because I hadn't really touched it yet, but I just wanted to make sure there was nothing on there. So we went ahead and cleaned her off. But yeah, I wanted to get this iPad to make Etsy stickers. So I'm about to open an Etsy shop, and then I also wanted to get it for college later down the road. I just thought it was a good idea to have. I thought it was a good investment. So here I am taking the little dust sticker. I have no idea if this did anything, but I still went through the process of quote unquote removing the dust. So here's me putting on the screen protector. This part unfortunately is not too satisfying because it took me forever to get it put on. Usually my dad helps me put on screen protectors because I am so bad at it, but obviously it was just me this time, so I tried to put it on and got a lot of air bubbles. So here's me getting those out. Okay, time to set up the iPad. So obviously it shows up with the little hello, hola, everything, all the hellos in different languages. So I'm just going through and setting everything up. Obviously I'm not going to show you my Wi-Fi or anything like that, but yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory. I did the Touch ID for this one, which I really was impressed with because the first iPad I ever had was a first generation. And there's my password, just 0000, how many ever of those there is. So just continuing going through the process. This didn't take very long actually, and most of it I didn't even want set up on there. I'm really sorry to those of you who are going to come for me for not choosing dark mode, but the light mode is just better for me. I'm sorry, but yeah, so I'm just going through and deleting all these apps right now because honestly I just don't use a lot of the Apple apps that it comes with. I ended up downloading the Shortcuts app again later, but I'm just gonna go ahead and delete everything pretty much right now just to kind of clean up my space and get a little bit cleaner, I guess, because I don't want my iPad to be very cluttered at all. And then I decided to go through Pinterest and look at some green wallpapers because I've been really into dark green lately. And so I was going through and looking for some wallpapers, but I honestly didn't find anything that I liked. So I ended up just going in and drawing my own on Procreate, which you guys will see me use in just a little bit. But my pencil and my case actually came in on separate days, so I wasn't able to show those in the same clip, but those are included in the video. I did not get the Apple Pencil. I got a dupe for that, so if you want to see a dupe for the Apple Pencil, then just keep watching. But yeah, here's me just kind of doodling on my iPad, trying Procreate for the first time, which was extremely fun, by the way. Alright, you guys, so I decided to go for a stylus pen that was not the Apple Pencil because, as you guys know, the Apple Pencil is extremely ridiculously expensive. I found this stylus pen on Amazon. I think I paid $30 for it. I will have it linked down below. I definitely recommend shopping from this small business on Amazon because I absolutely love this pencil. The only trouble I do have with it is the fact that at the top here, as you can see, whenever I hit the top of it, that presses it on and off just by a touch. That is by touch of anything, so sometimes I'll hit it on my clothing or something like that, and it will randomly turn off. So that's the only complaint I have with it, but it's definitely just not like a flaw with the pencil. So personally, I do recommend this. I actually really like the design of it. It looks like an Apple Pencil. It just feels really nice in your hand. It has one side that's kind of flat and it has like a grip on it. It just feels like really nice, and you could definitely not tell that it's a dupe. So here I'm showing you guys how it plays on the iPad. I do get a better angle in just a second where I'll show you a little bit better. I am working on some stuff in Procreate actually at the moment. I did download that Procreate. It is a lot of fun to play around with. This pencil works phenomenal with the app. I think that it actually works really, really well, especially for a pencil that is 1/3 of the price of the Apple one. So yeah, I definitely recommend this pencil. I'm just going to show you guys how I play around on the iPad with it, and it'll just speak for itself. You guys enjoy. Alright, you guys, so that is the end of today's video. Here is the case that I got. Like I said, everything will be linked down below. This is also the wallpaper I was talking about earlier that I made in Procreate, and some of my Etsy stickers on the back. I will be opening my shop soon, and I will let you guys know and keep you updated with that as well. But yeah, just enjoy this little montage. Have a great day. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next week. Bye guys, love you.